While the U.S. Transportation Secretary is urging safety changes after the recent train derailment in Ohio. Secretary Pete Buttigieg is pushing for increased safety among trains. This comes after a fiery derailment released toxic chemicals into the atmosphere in East Palestine, Ohio. Residents have complained, that is, about headaches and irritated eyes, among other health issues. And now a Kentucky-based healthcare company is coming to their aid, donating 10,000 bottles of water and 1,000 comprehensive health testing kits, as well as providing access to telemedicine. And joining us now from East Palestine is Stacy Finster, CEO and founder of the healthcare startup Healthier. Stacy, thank you so much for being with us. We appreciate it. As we mentioned, your company is providing a number of services to the folks in East Palestine, including health screening tests. Tell us more about these testing kits and what exactly they test for.
Absolutely. So our comprehensive health screening test screens for 12 key biomarkers, of which ALT, AST, and bilirubin are also looked at within these health screening tests. And the reason why this is important is because these are directly related to one's liver health. And so our tests are easy to use. You can take these at home. It's a simple finger prick. You get results within 36 hours of lab receipt. And so we're very excited to have the opportunity to bring this to the residents of East Palestine.
Yeah, it seems like a really important tool. I'm curious, how accurate are these tests? And also, if there are abnormal levels of certain biomarkers, what should people do next?
Right. So these tests are laboratory developed tests, and so they've been around for 40 plus years. And so we use innovative technology that separates out the blood serum from the blood cells. And so when they are received at the lab, and it's reconstituted, it's similar, as no different than going and getting a blood draw at the blood station. And if there is an abnormal result, we give access to our patients to book direct telehealth visits same day, very affordably for just $15 per visit. And if they have an established physician, they're able to download their results and share directly with their physician.
And Stacy, we're noticing it's very windy out there, and a big concern with a lot of people was the chemicals in the air and traveling around East Palestine and other areas. What should folks look out for as far as red flags when it comes to maybe signs or symptoms that something's just not right with their health?
Yeah, I think the great place to start, right, is with our Healthier screening test to really get that baseline. You kind of look what's going on with your health. When you drive your car, you have a check warning light that goes off and lets you know that something's wrong. And we really don't understand what goes on with our body until something catastrophic happens that sends us to the doctor. So I really think that a good place to start is with our Healthier screening tests. Get those baseline biomarkers and then follow up with your physician after.
Yeah, and as we mentioned, your company is based in Kentucky. I'm curious also, why did you feel it was so important to kind of be there on the ground in East Palestine? And what have you been seeing and hearing and experiencing since you've been there?
Right. Well, today, as you can see, it's windy and cold and the sky is blue, but, there's definitely a bleak outlook. And this is, small town America. Everybody is coming together and helping each other out. And the residents I spoke to today, there's underlying concerns of, just what's going to happen, being afraid of what's next. And, for me, I grew up 2 hours from here. My dad still lives 45 minutes from here. And we come together, in this part of the country, and we help each other out. And so for us, just like you, I've been watching, the TV for the last 2 weeks, right? And it really hasn't bothered me about what's been on TV. It's about what I didn't see. And so, the residents were told to buy water and to, journal, their health symptoms. And I felt that, I really wanted to step in and I wanted to do something more, which is why I reached out to the mayor. And in addition to that, I felt this was a great opportunity for Healthier to really step up, right, and be a good citizen Samaritan. So while, the last 2 weeks, these poor residents have been on the side of the road and in need, and it just seems that everyone has been passing by, Healthier wanted to take that step and go to the other side of the road and lend that helping hand to make a difference.
Yeah, and they certainly need a lot of help there in East Palestine, and I'm sure they're very appreciative of what you are all doing. Thank you so much, Stacey. We appreciate it. God bless you.
Thank you so much. God bless you.